Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Isis Aryon, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got this faux bang. This bang is removable and it also is reusable. You can take it out and use it again. I didn't use any glue on my scalp. I didn't sew it in or nothing like that. It was super easy. If you guys would like to know how I got this, then keep on watching it. Okay you guys, so to begin I'm just going to take my hair out of this ponytail and I'm going to put it up into a high bun. The faux bang and bun, why not? Alright you guys, so I have my ponytail in. I did take 2 elastic bands and I put these on my hair so that the hair is super tight. I want it to be really tight like always. Why do a loose pony when you can do a tight one? So yeah, I'm just going to put this up. And you guys can go in with hairspray and you guys can also go in with spritz. But I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to wear this style for that long. Like I'm not going to wear it for like a long period of time. So that's like not necessary for me. But if you guys do plan on sleeping on your hair, I do recommend that you guys go in with like a lot of hairspray or a lot of spritz. I'm still going to go in with some hairspray, just not that much. You feel me? So now that I have my ponytail in my head, is up, is high. You want to make sure that your ponytail is super high because we have to put the bang and the bun over the tracks of your weave, baby girl. Yes, slay, 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 slay. Okay, this hair feels so freaking amazing. All the details to this hair will be linked in the description bar below, so be sure that you guys check that out. But yeah, this hair really does feel so great. Be sure that you guys check out that description bar below because I always say description bar. It's actually box. Or is it bar? I don't know. Just check the description thingy below to get all this deets on this hair, coupon codes, websites, what type of hair, all that info. So guys, what I'm gonna do is sort of just put my hair in like a temporary bun just for right now. You guys can also tie up the sides of your head if your hair tends to like fall down and all that, but I don't have time for all that. I'm not gonna do all that. But you guys can put a bandana, scarf or something on, tie it up while we do this process. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the end of the track and I'm just gonna measure on my head like how far I want my bang to fall. I'm also gonna cut another track that's the same length as the one that I just measured. So now I have 2 tracks. This is somewhat full, but it's not all the way full. Before I go in to lay more tracks over, I'm just going to glue these 2 tracks together with some hair glue. You guys can use hot glue. That's so much quicker, but I do not have a hot glue gun on me at the moment. So I'm just going to go in with some regular hair bonding glue. Y'all know about this glue? You guys can see the first 2 tracks are glued together. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do 2 tracks that are smaller than this just a bit. And I'm just going to take off about, this is the track that's glued with the 2. I'm going to take off to about right here. Yeah, so. And you want to make sure that there's a lot of glue on both tracks so that way when you're pulling it and tugging it and straightening your bang, that no looseness comes about. You don't want the track to fall, do you, girl? I wouldn't want the track to fall. So now what I'm going to do is just go in to glue the 4 tracks together. Glue the smaller track in the center of the larger track so that way you guys sort of get like a, what do you say, like a falling effect. You want to have this room on the sides of both. Okay guys, so now I have all 4 tracks glued together and you guys can see that I have room on this side of the smaller track on both sides. And also if you guys ever feel like you've cut too much, you can always go in to trim the more sides off once you put it on. Now that I have the 4 tracks glued and all that jazz, I'm just going to take me some bobby pins and I'm going to attach them to here. And I'll be using jumbo pins as well as regular size pins. So you want to push the hair back pretty close to your elastic band. It doesn't have to be all the way, but you do want to put it back there some. And I'm just going to take a jumbo pin to pin the hair to my scalp. And to separate the bang from my actual like hair, I get little flyaways a lot. I'm just going to take a bandana and I'm going to tie my hair the back. Okay, so now I have this secured hair to my head. And obviously, you guys, the bang is not going to come all the way down here. So I'm just about to go ahead and chop this off because it's starting to get on my nerves. Ta-da! Now I'm going to go in to take my flat iron and I'm just going to straighten this wavy hair out, you guys. So now to cut the bang, we're going to start with the middle. And I'm just going to see where I want it to fall. So, it's pretty much pretty good. I just want it just below my brows a bit. So what I do is part the hair. I look so cute. Duh. Okay, yeah, so I just wanted to come just below my eyebrows a bit. Yeah, now I'm just gonna chop. Like, I don't really need my hands. I just gotta be careful because the first time I did this, I chopped some of my eyelashes off. So that's why now I'm trying to like pull away and chop. Cause at first I literally was doing like this and snipping off eyelashes. Okay, and here you guys can see that I'm just going in and cutting the best way that I know. I did a few different techniques or whatever, but I'm not really exactly sure on how to cut because I'm not really a cosmetologist. And also you guys can tell that I pinned the sides of my bangs back just a little bit because it was thicker than I wanted it to be. So I just went in and I pinned those to the sides and then I'm going to go in and cut them off later. Okay guys, so now for the bun, I'm just going to simply remove my rubber band that I used to tie around my real hair. And if you guys' like natural hair isn't to the length that you guys prefer, you can always go over it and add some tracks, but mine is pretty lengthy, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just going to take the remove bang and I'm going to put this to the center like so. I'm going to comb it out to be sure everything is where I want it, and now I'm just going to go in to secure it with pins just like before. Okay, so I have the hair. Now I'm just going to simply like wrap it over here on top of all that. Okay, I'm going to secure it to the back of my head with a bobby pin to be sure that this bun is like down and it covers all of my pins that are under here. I'm just going to take more pins and pin them. So I'm just going to take this and just literally like pin it on top of my bang. To keep up all of my flyaways, you guys, I'm just going to take me some hairspray. And I'm also going to spray this onto a comb. And I'm just going to comb up all of my flyaways. I'm just going to take my flat irons on high heat, the same heat that I use for the bang, and I'm sort of just going to, like, you know, put those up as well. But once you guys have your bun to your liking, it's satisfied the way that you like, you're done with this style. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you guys. See you next time.